Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Tigay. Let's jump right into it. As I'm recording this video, the S&P 500 is exactly flat. The VIX is down a hair at 25.85 as we saw some interesting response to the data that we saw this morning. Now, last week, the Fed shocked the market saying we are going to get inflation down to 2%. Believe me when I say this, even if the economy slows down, I don't care. Inflation has to get down to 2% before we turn dovish. That was viewed as very hawkish. And of course, the market has corrected off of recent highs. Now, it seems like the Fed is saying one thing, but the market doesn't believe it. The market's saying, to me, with this morning's reactions, we saw to some data that if the economy cools off, if the market struggles, the Fed is going to come to the rescue like it has every time in the past 15 years since the Great Recession. So this morning we had a weak ADP number that was seen as bad news is good news for the market, bad news for the economy, good news for the market. We had a strong PMI number and we reversed off of that, so that was a strong economy, bad news for the market. And for me, I think the big thing, of course, we're going to be watching is inflation along with the economy. So that's why the Friday's job number is so important. We do have an hourly earnings, hourly wages number in there that's going to be key for inflation expectations as well as the jobs number. So maybe the Goldilocks for the market would be a weaker than expected jobs number and a lower than expected hourly earnings. I think the market would love that. Of course, the flip side would be, wouldn't it be really bad if we saw a weak economy and higher hourly earnings? That would mean that the economy is weak and inflation is not under control. So there's a lot of potential action there. We got a holiday on Monday. The volatility is coming down. I'm seeing a lot of action in the VIX. September 30 calls. Those are a little softer. Volatility is down in those. Those are traded about 5,000 times. So watching that, currently priced at 115. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.